Meet one of Simon AI's latest innovations, the Data Agent. It's your AI-powered assistant that transforms unstructured and hidden signals into directly actionable marketing insights without SQL, tagging, or engineering tickets. Now, let's pretend I'm a marketer getting ready for a big campaign. I've played around in the segment builder, but I'm not totally sure how to target the right people. Something seems to be missing. We'll start with a simple prompt and then let the data agent guide us through solving the problem. So we will enter, we've got a campaign coming up and I want to figure out how to target the right people for it, but I'm not exactly sure how to approach it. Simon AI responds with, got it, let's unpack that together. When you say the right people, are we talking about customers with certain demographics or interests, or maybe people who are drawn to a specific type of product? I'll respond and say, it's a sci-fi themed campaign, but I don't think we have a sci-fi lover's customer property anywhere. Simon AI responds saying, okay, that's helpful. Let's think about how we might find sci-fi lovers in your audience. We could look at behavioral data like past purchases or site engagement, but since you've got a rich product catalog, we could also infer sci-fi affinity directly from the products they interact with or buy. I can create an AI field that flags sci-fi related products, which then allows segmentation of customers who purchased or engaged with them. I'll go ahead and say, that makes sense. We have a lot of products with references to sci-fi stuff, but I've never tagged them that way. Now, Simon AI responds now with a scan of my product catalog that's in my Snowflake here. And you can see that Simon AI can see that they have access to titles, descriptions, and product images, which are perfect inputs for detecting sci-fi themes and mapping them to buyer personas. So Simon AI proposes to create a new AI field called Sci-Fi Product Theme, which infers the best sci-fi theme associated with each product. It's asking me if it sounds good, and I'll say, yeah. Now, Simon AI gives me the prompt that it will use to create the sci-fi product theme AI field, and it gives me a little bit of a preview into what it found when it sampled my data. I'll go ahead and click View Details and open up a side panel here, which is called an artifact. You can see that the new AI field name, instructions for the LLM, SQL logic, and sample values based on the product catalog all appear here. Once you click Approve, the data agent builds an AI inference model right within your warehouse. No data movement required. Once the field has been created, now comes full transparency on the AI field's detail page. Sample outputs and data visualizations let you validate the results and understand field distribution. Once you've created and validated this field, your AI fields are instantly available across Simon. With the data agent, you move from insight to action, faster, smarter, and entirely within your governed data environment. Are you ready to unlock your data's hidden potential? Reach out to learn more about Simon AI.